This is a cell that I've built. I was a bit concerned that perhaps the magnets were leaching through the metal and causing a bridge for electron flow. So I built the cell, and the magnets are insulated inside there. They are not touching either side of the plates. Now I started off early this morning, and initially with just the plates that you see and one active plate at the back, you see there, I could only get a maximum of 250 milliamps. Now then, what I did next was I put a bank of magnets along here and the same on the other side. They are north facing to this side, and started pulling 470 milliamps. So I put on the second active plate. It should be doing nothing because it's negative, and this is negative, this plate. But as you can see, there's quite an accumulation going on in and around it. There is a multitude of bubbles gathering all around this cell, all over it, the back of that plate. And now it's up to just on 600 milliamps, or 6.6 of an amp. And the only way that there can be conduction is through the magnetic field. Try to give it a little bit of a hand here, having a positive and negative here, but to start with there was virtually nothing. Now it's taken off. This one, there's no positive on that side, and there's no negative on that side. I've already tested them. What I did notice is happening is this side slowly start charging up when I put this bank of magnets in. So it was like a spurious 0 volts at this side, or a spurious plus volts at this side, and it was going up to about half a volt to a volt. Other thing is, before I put this magnets in place, I tried to test it to see if there was a field of any kind, and I couldn't find a field. On the face plates, very strong. You can see that the actual active plate isn't glued on or anything. That's just a magnetic force holding it onto the plate. Same on this side. Now I've got to give Larry a wee bit of a well done here, because I tried to separate these plates after I put them on. There's a 6mm gap there, and I couldn't pull these apart. And Larry's plates are way thicker and more powerful than these. Now you can see at 0.6 of an amp, oh, it's 24 volts by the way, it's doing okay. But with this huge gap, it would be kind of difficult for it to conduct. The screaming you hear is I put on this Hall effect from my PWM, and it seemed to enhance, I don't know if enhanced, but it's doing something. I don't know exactly what it's doing. I think it might be helping to release the bubbles or something, or there's definitely something going on with it, because it went from 590 milliamps up to 610, something like that. But anyway, This is just to let you see what's happening, and I suppose